Gross.
Do you have a structured settlement or an annuity but find yourself waiting for checks every month? Stop waiting and call Peeps Settlement Funding today. We'll turn your future payments into cash. Instead of waiting, you'll get all the money you need in one lump sum. So you can pay off your credit card debt, make important purchases, avoid foreclosure, and take care of any other expenses that are piling up. The more you pay a structured settlement or annuity, you deserve to have it when you need it.
I'm gonna still make that debt.
Peach Tree can help you get it. The long-term payments you're receiving from your structured settlement or annuity into cash now.
You are funny.
After all,
You are funny.
You have questions about financing your next car or truck?
She's still popping.
Are you just disappointed and searching for answers? There may be hope for you. The credit angel
Still popping.
Do you need a new car or truck to upgrade your standard of living? Do you need a safer vehicle for your family? When others have said no, the credit angels could save you. Call 95 Monday through Saturday, or just clearly apply online at creditangels.com.
The car just came and hit me right from behind. For the car, call 800-LOST-1010. They told me don't even worry about anything. We just want you to get well. Helping you is what
Still popping.
Everything was taken care of. All one part to the drive, and we'll take it from there. I was expecting less, and I did get more. Could be the best phone call you'll ever make.
Oh, you're funny, sweetie. Sweet girl. Well, I hope I got that. I hope I got that. Say goodbye, Peeps. Goodbye, Peeps.